Hello guys, this is a YouTube channel Coding Magic, and today I'm gonna show you how we can install VirtualBox and then install Ubuntu Linux distribution on the VirtualBox. This is very simple guys, just follow my steps. And these installations includes two steps. First, we're gonna install VirtualBox to our Windows 10 machine, and then once we install, we're gonna install Ubuntu Linux distribution, which is free and free for everyone. So first, go to the Google.com, and in the Google, just search for VirtualBox. In the search results, you will see www.virtualbox.org. This is the official website to download and install Oracle VM VirtualBox from. This is from Oracle. And then click on this one, the first link, and here this is the official website, and you're gonna go to the downloads tab, click on the downloads button here, and here you will see the executable file for different operating systems: Windows host, OS X host, Linux distribution, Solaris host, Solaris, and etc. So here what we're gonna do is this first, let's see, this is the version 6, and then we're gonna click on Windows host, and this is the 103 megabyte total size, and since I have very high-speed internet, this is done very quickly. Click on the executable file, and you're gonna wait a little bit, and Windows will start to install. So here, just click on next, leave as default, click on next, and here you can select all of these options, but I don't want to create a shortcut in quick launch bar, so I will uncheck this one and click on next, and then proceed with installation now. Click on yes and click on install. Right now installation is going on here, and you need to wait a little bit for this one. So guys, the installation is done, and right now I'm gonna click this one, start Oracle VM VirtualBox. After installation, finish, and here right now Windows launches the VirtualBox. Yes, as you can see here, it's launched. Yeah, and once it's done, go to Google, back google.com here, and just Ubuntu, and here you will see ubuntu.com, and click on the first link. This is the official website to get the Ubuntu operating system, and here you will see the download option, and once you click here, you will have several options: Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu server, Ubuntu for IoT, Ubuntu cloud. So I'm gonna click on Ubuntu desktop here, and here we have different Ubuntu versions. The latest one is Ubuntu 20.04.2 Lite. So this means the year is 20, and this is the month for, which is April. And if you scroll down, you will see the different Ubuntu versions here. So this is the light version, this is the full version, latest version of Ubuntu 21.04. Here you can choose both of them, but here I'm gonna go with Lite's version, and here just click on download. As you can see, the size of this image file is 2.7 gigabyte, which is really high. You need to wait a little once it downloads. Since I have downloaded earlier, I'm just gonna cancel this one, but you don't cancel, you know. Since I have this download earlier before I started to record this video, so I'm just gonna cancel this one. And here, if I go to my downloads, I have VirtualBox, and here I have Ubuntu. I have downloaded yesterday, and go to your VirtualBox machine here, and you will see the add button. Just click on add button here, and you will see, one second, not add button, but here you will see the new button, new. Click on the new button, and here you can give the name. Let's call this one is coding. Let me call coding magic. And this is the where this Ubuntu will be installed. This gonna be on the C users Elmore VirtualBox VMs. That's good. The type is Linux, and version is Mandrina 64-bit. No, I will choose from here Ubuntu. Where is it? Ubuntu. Yeah, Ubuntu 64-bit, and click on next. And it's asking to allocate a memory size. I'm gonna give about like 3 GB, so this will be used this amount of memory when you run the Ubuntu. When you close and when it's not running, this amount of memory will not be allocated, and your original Windows will be in a good condition, you know. So don't be afraid. Click on next. And here just choose this option, create a VirtualBox hard disk now. Create, then just leave as default VDI VirtualBox disk image. Click next, and here I'm gonna choose dynamically allocated. Click on next. This is the best option. And here the file location and size, this is gonna be under user Elmo VirtualBox VMs coding magic VDI. Okay, that's good. And this is how much memory is will be allocated to this new Ubuntu. So I'm gonna leave as 10 GB. That is good for me. And create. Yes. Now this is the created, and it's not done yet. So we're gonna do right click and settings. Go to settings. In settings first, let's check the description. No, so go to systems and go to processor here. Now it is by default it's one CPU gonna be used, but I'm gonna do 2 because I want to make it work more faster. So this is the 2. Change the 2 and go to storage here, and right now we're gonna give the file directory for image file, and here click on under controller ID, click on this empty one. This is empty right now, and from here you'll see this icon, disk icon. Click on this icon and select choose a disk file. Click this one and go to your downloads where you have downloaded the image file for Ubuntu, and click on the Ubuntu image file. Click open. Click then click OK. This is right now is ready to launch, and I will just click on start. You're gonna wait a little bit here, and Ubuntu operating system Linux distribution will launch soon. Yes, and here once it pops up this window, you need to select the from the options. You will see this one, Ubuntu 20.04.20. Select this one and click on start. Yes, it's going on here. Okay, you can close this. Right now the installation is going on, and it will take some time. You're gonna wait a little bit. So it's the installation is going on, guys. You need to wait a little bit. So now you will see these two options: try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. We will select this install Ubuntu. Click on install Ubuntu, and here in the next section we're gonna select the keyboard layout language. So since I am the US and I use English, so click on English US, and from here you can use different versions for the English. So I'm gonna just leave English US and continue. The next section is it's asking for updates and other software. What apps would you like to install to start Ubuntu? I'm just choose normal installation, and other options: download updates to while installing Ubuntu. Yeah, just leave as default and click continue. And here installation type, this computer currently has no detected operating system. Would you like to do, what would you like to do? So erase this, can install Ubuntu. Yes, that's true, and click on install now button. So it's asking write the change to disk, click on continue, and where are you? So in which time zone in the world you are right now? I'm gonna choose New York, continue. And here it's asking to give the user name, your names, the information. So what you can do, your name, you can type like coding magic. 1 second. So coding magic, your computer's name's coding VirtualBox. Okay, that's good. Pick a username, coding. So choose a password. Here for the password, you can give any password. I will give simple password. Let's say admin. And admin. Okay. And you can select login automatically without password, or require my password to login. And just choose this one, the second option, and click on continue. And right now the installation is going on, and it will take time, and you can read while it's installing, you can read the news. Welcome to Ubuntu, fast and full of new features. The latest version of Ubuntu makes computing easier than ever. Here just a few cool new things to look out for. You can click on this one, the next button, find even more software. So you can, this is then the video player you have, and you have the music player, and we have the some photo readers here. You can see your photos, and you can here Ubuntu comes with Firefox, which is used for internet connection. And here this is the free Office suite where you can use with your documents here. And what you can, next one is access for everyone. This is then advanced accessibility tools and options to change language, color scheme, etc. A lot of news, good stuff, and it can help and support. So guys, this is Ubuntu. Is a really nice operating system, which is absolutely free for all the users. And I'm pausing video, and once it's completed, I will come back. So guys, after waiting some time, the installation is complete, and says you need to restart the computer in order to use the new installations. If you see this window, click on the restart now button here, and the Ubuntu will be restarted in your VirtualBox. And here the restart is going on. You need to wait a little bit here. And here just click on just enter, press the enter. Yes, it is going on right now, something. So here it says it's showing my username, which I have created while in the beginning of installation. Click on user magic, coding magic, and here just the password you have set earlier and enter. And just I'm gonna maximize the window here. Yeah, right now you will see that this is the not the full size. Later I'm gonna show you how we can do it like full size in your desktop. Hooray! Right now we can access to the Ubuntu operating system. Just done. You can read if you want. And let's right now solve this problem. This is not the full size of the desktop. So click on devices here, devices option you will see, and you will see the insert guest addition CD image. Click on that one. Here it's asking contains software intended to be automatically started. Would you like to run it? Click on run. And here you need to provide your password for this username that you have set earlier and authenticate. Right now Ubuntu is downloading whatever additional dependencies or softwares that which I'm gonna make this window a little bit bigger. So guys, here just click enter, click on install now the software updates, and here provide your password, authenticate, and also you can here you can browse your what we have in Ubuntu. So this is all the you can see all the applications here. It has a lot of applications, and from here the most used one is one second, the most used one from here, you see here you have different options. You have the here Firefox, you have here other Thunderbird Mail, which works with for the mails messages, and you have the written box, you have the LibreOffice Writer for the Microsoft. This is kind of Microsoft Office style Word. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna just click on File and close. Okay, just I'm closing the shutting off this Ubuntu operating system. I'm just gonna restart this machine. Yes, and then I'm gonna rerun it. Start. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to put any comments if you have questions. Thank you very much. Have a good day.